Good very afternoon to you there today. Lovely sunny day. A little bit of a easterly wind blowing. Went and spread some dung on this here field 8 weeks ago now. And it's all getting pulled in nicely. It's had 200 weight of light tram on it, and now we're giving it a rolling down to be ready for silage come end of May. So they give the Claas a little run, doing a bit of field work. This has been in the yard doing a lot of load work all through the winter, so it's nice to get out in the field and give it a little run. Putting some lovely stripes in the field, just rolling the grass. When you look across the countryside, you can certainly see the fields now which have had the fertiliser and all greening up. Lots of slowing. See the gorse coming out in flower. Shows that spring is here. I think it's going to be a few more weeks before the trees come out into leaf, because they're looking pretty bare at the moment. So when I finish this field, we've got another one to go on and do. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching.